Follow along for everything my picky toddler ate for breakfast. Mila is now almost 16 months old, and although she used to be an incredible eater, we're at the point where she's very opinionated and picky about what she's eating. We start off every morning with a bottle of whole milk. She'll get about 10 ounces, and she's really good about this and has been drinking on her own, so no complaints in that department. Then we move on to food, and I always start with a scrambled egg with cheese. She's usually good about it, but this morning it was a couple bites and she was over it. We have been giving her or trying to give her a Flintstones vitamin, so I've been mixing that into different foods, and this morning I sprinkled it on a waffle, and again, a few bites, and she was over it. She was playing with it and really just interested in exploring with the utensils, which is good, but a lot of throwing foods and fussiness this morning. She didn't eat much. I don't know if it was the vitamin that threw her off, but she really didn't eat that waffle. So then at that point, I gave up on the egg and waffle and gave her a banana, which she usually loves. And this morning, again, a couple bites, and she started throwing, mushing, just playing with it. Then I had some leftover pancakes from the other day. I tried giving her that. She was throwing it, but then did take some. And then we ended with some berries. Tough morning.